Thanks for joining us today at Perry Homes in Hidden Canyon. I'm Shane Tracey, your San Antonio new build specialist. This is an absolutely amazing opportunity for those that are looking for the right Perry home in a gated stone oak community. Now, the pricing for these homes starts in the 750s, and as far as this really beautiful looking model home right behind me, it's their 3484M floor plan, which I can't wait to show you, by the way. But before I do, I wanted to share some things that you ought to know about the community. Now, you'll find Hidden Canyon right off of Canyon Gulf Road, which has scenic hill country views. You don't have to worry about that. It's absolutely gorgeous here. And so even though you're in the heart of Stone Oak, with easy access to daily conveniences and highways like 281 and 1604, you really are going to feel like you're tucked away in your own hidden getaway, for sure. Now, Hidden Canyon features an array of amenities, including an Olympic-style swimming pool, soccer field, and a clubhouse for residents to enjoy. And additionally, residents can take advantage of scenic walking trails that wind throughout the neighborhood. So you don't even have to leave this area. It's just really breathtaking. Now, as far as the property tax rate, that's at 2.28%, and the school district is a sought-after Northeast ISD. So, if you're ready, let's go check out how gorgeous this model home is on the inside. Let's go. Step into the breathtaking 3484M floor plan by Perry Homes, where elegance meets thoughtful design across 3,484 square feet, offering 4 bedrooms and 3.5 baths. A grand entry with soaring 19-foot ceilings and a sweeping circular staircase sets a stunning first impression. The 2-story family room is filled with natural light from a wall of windows, seamlessly connecting to the dining area and a beautifully designed island kitchen with seating and a walk-in pantry. The secluded primary suite offers a spa-like bath, dual closets, and direct utility access. A private guest suite sits downstairs, while upstairs features a spacious game room, media room, additional bedrooms, and a Hollywood bath. You'll love the outdoor living with a covered patio and the convenience of a 3-car garage. Enjoy the home.
Hey, thanks for joining us for another awesome video. Before I forget, go ahead, you're going to find it right about here. You'll have my contact information. Go ahead and call, text, with any questions you may have about this builder or any other builder that we are going to show you. Believe me, we are the specialists here at Good to Go Realty to make sure that you are guided through each and every step to home ownership, making sure that we're finding the right home for you. And we understand you have unique needs and situations. And believe me, we are listening and wanting to make sure that we get you through each of those unique steps to home ownership, whether it is your federal student loan debt, you need to get that lowered. You want to use your VA home loan benefits. You have a down payment assistance need that we can find a solution for, whatever it may be. Just know Good to Go Realty is your new home solution. I cannot stress it enough. So go ahead and give me a call, text, and we will walk you through each and every scenario, making sure that we're getting you in the right home that fits your lifestyle, that fits your budget, and that fits the right side of town just for you. Have a great day.